What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a remedy that would get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. Alright, so the thing is that we ladies need to learn to take care of our skin. Sometimes you need to take a little time to extract some blackheads and some whiteheads from your face, but if you can't do that, you can take it to a professional to extract it out, because when it's always there, it's just going to clog the pores and your skin is not going to glow. No matter what you use, it's just not going to be responsive, and you're going to be like, oh, that thing I use is not good, that thing I use is not working. You know, little did you know that all of your pores are blocked, so nothing is working. So that's just it. So this natural remedy is just going to help you to remove and unclog the blackheads and the whiteheads. Okay, so if you want to know what comprises of my blackheads remedy, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, and turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. Alright, so we're gonna be needing aloe vera first, because aloe vera fights acne. Okay, it treats aging skin, it acts as a moisturizer on the skin, and it's also great for sunburns. It is great for a sensitive skin, so invariably if you have a sensitive dry okay, rough and frizzy skin, you can actually use aloe vera, because it's going to help you to fight your skin to life. And the next one we're going to be needing will be yogurt. Now you can use unsweetened yogurt. You can get this in a in a supermarket. Okay, you can't get it in a local market because yogurt contains alpha hydroxy acid that dissolve dead skin cells. This gentle exfoliation not only helps to create a natural glow, it also prevents breakouts. It diminishes the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles. With the lactic acid in yogurt, it helps to increase the skin elasticity, therefore making you look younger than your age. And the next ingredients we're going to be needing will be bicarbonate of soda. Okay, so this is actually baking soda, not baking powder. Okay, so baking soda and baking powder is different. Okay, so baking soda is a mild exfoliating agent that helps to exfoliate dead skin cells. It removes pimples, blackheads, fine lines, pigmentations, and it also gets rid of bacteria from the skin, and it will help in preventing a breakout. Yeah, and the last ingredients we're going to be needing will be brown sugar. Because brown sugar has a smaller granite particles, it is great and mild in exfoliating the dead skin cells, improving the skin elasticity, and also removing blackheads and whiteheads. Okay, and it will also help to remove wrinkles when used with yogurt. Alright guys, now let's prepare all our ingredients together. Okay, for the first one, we're just going to put in 1 tablespoon of unsweetened yogurt, about half tablespoon of brown sugar, and then we're just going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Okay, so we're going to cover that up and set that aside. And then to prepare the aloe vera, you can actually use the processed 100% aloe vera if you have one, but if you don't, you can use this one, but anyone is still okay though. So you're just going to remove the back of it. Now I'm just going to be scraping this in, right? so there won't be any lumps or whatsoever. Now if you're doing it this way, guys, you have to be extra careful. If you can't do it this way, please remove the gel and just quietly go and blend it, okay? Because it seems I'm becoming a professional while doing this with a sharp knife. Alright, so that's it. Be mixing this all up, okay? So you have to stir really well, because the slimy aloe vera is just going to make this thing really difficult to mix. So you have to be patient while you do that, and it's just going to be looking like this, very slimy. So you mix really well. Really nice. Oh my god. Alright, so that's it, guys. You can see how smooth that is actually looking. Okay. Alright, to remove the blackheads and the whitehead, you'll be needing a brush like this, and then you scoop this treatment. You have to apply it on your nose area, okay, just like that. Alright, so I just scrub my face, so I would have used my nose to show you how to do this, but yeah guys, so that's how you're just going to do it. You just scrub your nose with it, just like this. Okay, this is actually very friendly and healthy. All of the ingredients are very friendly on the skin. Yeah, so you just do that this way by using a brush. So after that, you hold it on for about 1 more minute, then you can just go rinse this off with a normal water. Okay, you don't necessarily need to use warm water. So guys, for this treatment, as you can see, you can't actually store it. So anytime you want to scrub out the blackheads and whiteheads, you have to make a new one. Okay, so you can always use a fresh one. But yeah, you can scrub it. You can scrub the blackheads and the whiteheads out from your face 3 times in a week, and you're good to go. Like, the blackheads and whiteheads will be gone from your face, and your pores is just gonna be clean, and your skin is gonna be healthy. Okay, so basically that's just a simple way to remove blackheads and whiteheads. Just like I told you guys earlier at the intro, sometimes you have to go to a professional to extract the blackheads and whiteheads from your face if you can't do that yourself. But if you can do that yourself, you do that once in 2 weeks, and your skin is just going to be very glowing and very responsive. So that's it. If you did love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful. Mwah.